Today we're going to replace the OnePlus 9 battery. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the phone. Step 2. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Step 3. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Step 4. Remove the rubber seal in place. Step 5. Remove the flash flex cable carefully. Step 6. Remove the screws attached on the motherboard cover. Step 7. Remove the motherboard cover in place. Step 8. Unplug the flex cable carefully. Step 9. Remove the old battery in place. Step 10. Prepare the new replacement battery. Step 11. Install the new replacement battery properly. Step 12. Plug in the flex cable connector carefully. Step 13. Place back the motherboard cover properly. Step 14. Install the screws in place. Step 15. Plug in the flash flex cable properly. Step 16. Install the rubber seal in place. Step 17. Place the adhesive on the back cover frame contacts. Step 18. Place the back cover properly. The new battery is working perfectly. Thank you for watching.
Miss Jackson.